everybody, welcome to my channel. My name is Alishia. If you're new to my channel, if you're not new to my channel, hey girl. So today we have a sponsored video by Tinashe Hair. They sent me over this 5x5 highlighted closure wig. It's 22 inches and it's absolutely gorgeous. Okay, it's stunning. It's so beautiful, you guys. It's so beautiful. If you guys want to see all the details on this wig, please continue to watch. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe to my channel. Follow me on Instagram and TikTok. I'll leave them both right here so you can follow me there. Thank you so much for coming to my channel, and let's get into this wig install, y'all. All right, you guys, we are working with Tinashe Hair. Oh, inside it will say the length. We have a 22-inch straight wig. Also have their card with all their IG and you know, hair care, hair bonus, how to take care of your hair, all that good stuff in here. So then you also get a baggie, you get some lashes, a bonnet, hair clips, baby hair brush, headband, bobby pin, edge wrap, of course some wig caps. And then we have the wig. This is the wig, you guys. I did wash it and blow dry it. Then I put these curls in it off camera. She is a 22-inch straight 5x5. Ooh, I believe it's a 5x5 frontal. It is pre-plucked and pre-cut, okay? So she is looking good. We do have 3 combs inside. We have adjustable band, and then we also have adjustable straps as well. I already have this hair in a middle part. It looks really good. The hair curled beautifully. I haven't combed them out or anything. So I'm just gonna put this on real quick. It should be real quick, easy, and simple, but the hair feels absolutely gorgeous. These highlights are outstanding, and we are going to install this glueless today, okay? This is a glueless wig, and we will be doing such, okay? I'm going to go ahead and speed through me installing this real quick, but she looks absolutely gorgeous. Let's get into this install. I'm all done with this wig, you guys. It was an easy install. Look at the lace. Look at the lace on this wig, y'all. And it's glueless. Yes. Yes, baby. Yes, honestly, I just left this little wrap on for like 10 minutes just to like flatten it a little bit. You could probably leave it on a little bit longer and it'll like really melt to your skin, but I just did like 10 minutes because it was already like laying so flat. So yeah, but the hair looks so good, you guys. It looks so freaking good. Get into it. It has, honestly, I think washing your wigs before you style them is a very, very good idea, because although I don't know how this wig would have acted if I just like curled it right out of the box, how it feels after I washed it, blow dried it, and curled it. It just feels so good. It feels so good. It's not tangling at all. I love the fullness on this wig. The highlights are absolutely stunning. And it's glueless, so you can take this off real quick. It is an easy switch up and a very quick install. So highly recommend. Oh my god, I can't stop running my hands through this though. I cannot stop running my hands through this wig. It is so freaking gorgeous. It's so gorgeous. Absolutely. Yes. So make sure you guys check out the description box. I will have all the information to this wig in the description box along with a discount code. Thank you again, Tinashe Hair, for sponsoring this video today. Make sure you guys check out this wig because it is giving, okay? This is giving girls night out. It's giving date night. It's giving, just because if you just need to put a wig on and like take pictures, this hair feels like it is going to last a very long time. Like, it just feels so freaking good. It feels so good. And it lays flat. All I did was put some foundation on the parting here. So yes, make sure you guys check out Tinashe Hair. Thank you so much for coming to my channel. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe to my channel. And I will see you guys in the next video. Bye.